Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day One Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day One Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day One Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day One Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is our final video in our Affiliate Tips course. Now, congratulations on getting through this course, but we've got one more tip to give you. And that is never hesitate to ask for a better deal once you've proven yourself. Okay, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I've got some bad news to share with you. The sad reality of affiliate marketing is that the majority of people who sign up to do an affiliate marketing program don't send any traffic at all. Seriously, if you have 100 people signing up to an affiliate program, only a very small percentage of them would end up sending any traffic at all for a variety of reasons. But it gets even worse. Of those few that send any traffic at all, only another small percentage of those will actually send traffic that converts. Being an affiliate marketer is tough, but being an affiliate program manager is tough too. They have to deal with the ugly reality that the vast majority of people they recruit onto their program don't really do much of anything. Also, as an affiliate program manager, they have to jump through a lot of hoops to retain the affiliates who might potentially actually deliver traffic that converts. But with all that in mind, when you do put the effort in and you're a top producer, you should insist on getting paid what you're worth. Simply put, you have a skill most other affiliate marketers would kill for. You're making sales and sending traffic. So why shortchange yourself? The good news is that if you are able to convert your traffic, you shouldn't hesitate to ask for a better affiliate deal. Don't be shy. Take the initiative. Ask the affiliate manager of your program for a higher rate or freebies or some sort of goodie to reward you for doing a good job. Okay, I lied. I've got one more little tip for you. And that's what you should do with your higher payout rate. You should only do one thing with it. Reinvest in your business. This enables you to get better traffic. This enables you to optimize the conversions of your mailing list, and this can lead to even more income. Don't go out there and splash all that cash on a new car or waste it on a massive TV. Instead, reinvest it in your mailing list business, and then you can make even more money and spend that instead. Well, once again, congratulations for reaching the end of this course on affiliate tips. From myself, Alex Copeland, Richard Fairburn, and the Online Success Model team, we wish you all the success in the world.